Hello friends, in this video let us unbox the Wildhorn men's leather wallet. So it came in this box I bought from Amazon. It is priced at rupees 1499. The model number is WH213GW. Let us open it. Alright, so it came in a very nice box. Let us keep it aside. Okay, so this is the actual wallet. Design which is stitched, a very plain design. There is a Wildhorn logo that is impressed on the leather. Okay, so it has got three card holders on left hand side and three on the other side, and it has also got a pouch over here and another pouch inside. This particular part, the middle leather piece, is stitched. It has got two sleeves, one and two. The material is it is made of cloth, the middle part. Only the external and these parts are made with leather. So here we have this Wildhorn brand name embossed, and genuine leather is also embossed here. The leather looks very soft, and the purse is also spongy. I think they have provided cushion over here in this area as well as in this area, which is a very good feature. And the leather the stitched over here. The design piece is stitched on three sides, and alright, now let us see whether it fits the credit cards properly. Alright, I have a credit card here. It goes in without much effort. The same for all the sleeves. So it can hold up to 6 cards here, and as well as a card over here and one more card over here. Altogether 8 cards can be placed in the front pouch, and this space is sufficiently big, where in fact it can even hold the credit card when it is placed in this vertical fashion. It can even hold it. You won't be it will not be projecting outside. So the length of the wallet is almost equivalent to that of the credit card. There is no coin pouch. I personally don't recommend buying a purse which has this coin pouch, because over a period of time it tends to make these credit cards bend, as because of the pressure from the coins or any other uh, things like the zip or the buttons. It will eventually hit the credit card and it will make the credit card to bend much quicker. So I personally don't recommend buying those type of purses, whereas this one is pretty fine, and you should be able to carry a lot this. So that's it. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video for more videos like this. Thank you.